Hello all, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we will focus on the keywords in Python or reserved words in Python. So Python keywords are special reserved words which actually convey a special meaning to the Python interpreter when the program is executed. Okay, so each keyword in Python have a special meaning and have some specific operation and a specific purpose. And reserved words we cannot use them as a variable declaration or identifier name declaration. We cannot use those reserved words for that purpose. And also in Python keywords are case sensitive. Okay, so let's see few details about the Python keywords. So how to get the list of keywords? So let's see how we can do this. Let me put comment how we can get the list of keywords. So for that we have to do import keyword. Okay, this import and these things will cover in different module why we need to use and all those things. So for now just understand to work with the keyword and to get the list of keywords we have to import the keyword, and then let's let me print. Let's see how many keywords are available in this version 3.7.2. So for that let me use the number of keywords in Python are, put this and then comma and then keyword dot kw list keyword dot kw list. You have to press, or you don't remember, then control space. It will show the IntelliSense that automatic. It will suggest the available options on that word keyword. So kw list we need to choose, and then underscore, then again underscore, then len, and then again underscore, then again underscore, double underscore, len, double underscore, then the bracket, then closes. This will give the number of keywords in Python 3.7.2 version. So number of keywords in Python are 35. Okay, so this number may vary depending on the versions you are using and the course of time you are using this, you are seeing this video. So this may vary depending on the versions. So now we understood the number of keywords in Python are 35. So let's display the list of those 35 keywords. So for that what we have to do is, let's for that we have to do keyword dot kw list. That's it. If you press enter now, it will display all the 35 keywords. See, all the 35 keywords are displayed here in a list. If you count, these are the 35 keywords in Python programming language. So in Python, if you see, only 35 keywords are there, but in other languages, if you see Java or C++ or in other languages, it is more than 100 keywords, and it's very hard to memorize and understand or those keywords. But here in Python only 35, and it's very easy to um, memorize or understand the purpose of those keywords are there. Okay, if you see how the keywords are in lowercase, for the first tree that is false, none and true, These are initial letter capital, but rest all are in lowercase. Rest all 32 are in lowercase. And also Python keywords are case sensitive. Okay, if you change the case, then its meaning is completely different. Then it will not behave as a keyword. So these keywords are case sensitive and all are in lowercase except these first three: false, none, and true. So now suppose we want to uh, let's check different way how we can get the details of keywords. Let's try a few more commands here. So for that we have to help. Okay, it will go to the help prompt. And now let's type keywords. So if you see here also we can see the list of keywords. So those some list are showing here, list of keywords, that those 35 keywords are displayed here. Now suppose in any of the keywords we want to gather some information, why to use, what is the syntax, when to use, all those details. So for that just we have to write, suppose I'm taking continue. We want to know more about this keyword, then we have to just continue. To see here the continue, the details of the continue keyword are displayed. Okay, we can try with any other keywords from here. Suppose else, I'm typing else. So details of this, when to use else, what is the syntax, what is the need of else statement, all those things are came up. So we can easily go through it, understand the that keyword. Okay, so yeah, so this is that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.